Hello all, welcome to the series of CentOS 7. On today's video, we will learn how to install CentOS 7 on a VirtualBox. Okay, so I will be providing the direct download link of this ISO image file. Okay, from there you can download, or if you want, you can directly go to the CentOS 7 official website, and from there as well you can download it. So after downloading the ISO image file, open your VirtualBox, then just click on new, give it a name. For here in my case I am giving CentOS, like double S I'm taking, and also I'm taking the folder as it is. Okay, but the thing is, you all must change this folder and change it to other local disks like D, E or F, whatever you are having. Just I want to say you all, always remember, never install any VirtualBox file or virtual machines on local disk C on which the operating system is installed, the host operating system. Okay, then we have to select the ISO image file. For my case it's under downloads, then CentOS folder, and then the ISO image file. Okay, once you are done with this, click on next, leave it as it is. Okay, no need to change anything over here. Click next, then RAM as per your requirement. For my case I'm taking 2 GB of RAM, and processors I'm taking only one. Later on we all can change this or upgrade as per our requirement or as per our choice. Okay, now click on next. Here I am going with 20 GB of hard disk capacity. Okay, hard disk space. If you want, you can change it to 50, 100 or 150. Okay, then again next, all done, click on finish. Now we need to start this so that we can start with the installation process. It will take couple of seconds to boot. It's done. Now okay, no, so we need to again mount the ISO image file, and we'll retry with this. I hope this time it will work. Yeah, it's worked. So install CentOS 7, we'll go with the first one, then click on enter. It will start reading the files of the ISO. Now why CentOS? Okay, meanwhile let us discuss why CentOS and why I'm showing this and why I'm creating a series of videos on CentOS. The reason is, on a CentOS operating system, you will get to learn a lot of things like how to configure, how to manually configure a static IP address. Okay, how to download and set up or configure your own database server. Okay, then how to create a PHP file and then host it on your private network. Okay, your own website. Okay, like such things, there are a lot of things we can do on a CentOS. Okay, we'll go with a minimal installation because here you all will get to learn how to operate an Linux operating system. Okay, and now here we'll go with India, like English India. We'll select that, and then we'll click on continue. Then here it's still reading. Okay, now it's done. Okay, here the thing is, so under software selection, see, first one by default is minimal install. Basic and functionality will get from this. Okay, we'll go with this one only. You can also call it a blank operating system with some limited basic functionalities or features that's it's having. Okay, if you don't want to continue with minimal, you want to experience more, you want to go more deep down with different features of CentOS, you can also change it from here during the installation, like compute node. Okay, then infrastructure server, you want to build your own infrastructure server, then you can install, you have to install this one. Then for file and print server, this basic web server, you want to set up your own basic web server as a base operating system CentOS you are going to use, then you have to go with basic web server. Then similarly, like virtualization host server with GUI, then genome desktop. Genome is nothing but just a GUI of Linux. Okay, one of the GUI is genome and another is KDE Plasma. Then development and creative workstations also. Okay, at present I am doing no change over here. I am just simply clicking on done. Okay, see minimal install. Then under system, click on installation destination, uncheck it, then again check. Okay, done. Okay, now we all are ready to install our CentOS operating system. You can go ahead with begin installation. Now there's two options, two user settings we are getting. One is root and one is user creation. First we'll set a password for root. For my case I'm taking 1234. Okay, 234. Okay, done. Done. Then user creation, we have to create one user. I'm creating mrx. Again I'm giving the password as 1234. Again 1234. Okay, and create. Done. Mrx will be created during the installation. Okay, but the thing is, I guess you all know about the sudoers in Linux. Okay, here later on in the series of videos you will also get one video, okay, how to configure an user into sudoers, or how to configure sudoers configure file. Okay, there will give some permissions to the user that the user will be able to use this root access. Like for example, if the user want to update the system with the help of sudo, he or she can utilize, he or she can do an update or upgrade. Okay, until and unless we are giving those permissions from the sudo's configuration file, the user will not be able to do these things. Okay, and as a root user you are the administrator here, you have the entire privilege of this operating system. You can do anything you want. Okay, so meanwhile when it's installing, okay, it's okay, it will hardly take some another more minute. Let's wait for few minutes. Okay, once it's done it will ask for the reboot. Also would like to highlight, there will be more than 30 videos on this series. Okay, each video will contain different configurations. Like the very next video I will upload is how to configure a static IP address on a CentOS machine. Okay, it will be hardly 1 or 2 minutes video. Okay, just you need to open the actual configuration file, the network configuration file, and there you need to do some changes and so on. Okay, so once it's done, the interface will look like this. I've already installed one system. Okay, let me boot. Okay, you will get this interface. Okay, then if you want to logging with root user, give it the username, then password. I'm giving my password and it's successfully logged in. Okay, if you want to see that it's working or not, I am running. Okay, wait, not ping, I'm using who am I command. Who am I? See, it's showing root. So like this you will install operating system like CentOS on a VirtualBox. Okay, and rest after this you will get to learn what to do or what other things you need to perform after successful installation of CentOS machine on your VirtualBox. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, do leave a comment. Thank you.